Today I am going to show you how to fix a Bosch microwave that is running but not heating. This is a very common problem in many microwave ovens. The microwave turns on, the fan runs, and the light works, but the food does not heat. In this video, we will find the problem step by step and fix it. First, we test the microwave. Place a cup of water inside the microwave. Now close the door properly. Set the microwave for 1 minute. The microwave is now running normally. You can see the light is on and the turntable is rotating. After 1 minute, we stop the microwave. Now we open the door and check the water. As you can see, the water is still cold. This means the microwave is running but not heating. Now unplug the microwave before opening it. This is very important for safety. Microwaves contain high voltage components. Never open a microwave while it is connected to power. Place the microwave on a flat surface. Now we start removing the screws from the back cover. Use a screwdriver and remove all screws carefully. Keep the screws in a safe place. After removing all screws, gently lift the outer cover. Now the microwave is open and we can see internal components. First, we check the main fuse. The main fuse is usually located near the power input. Take a multimeter and set it to continuity mode. Now test the main fuse carefully. Touch both sides of the fuse with multimeter probes. The multimeter shows continuity. This means the main fuse is working properly. So the problem is not in the main fuse. Now we move to the high voltage section. Here we can see the transformer. Near the transformer, there is another fuse. This fuse is inside a white protective case. This is the high voltage fuse. We open the white fuse holder carefully. Now remove the fuse from the case. Take the multimeter again. Now test this fuse using continuity mode. Touch both ends of the fuse. The multimeter shows no continuity. This means the fuse is blown. This is the reason the microwave is not heating. Now we take a new fuse. This is a 10 amp fuse. Make sure to use the same rating fuse. Do not use a different value fuse. Place the new fuse inside the holder. Close the white protective case properly. Make sure the fuse is fixed securely. Now the new fuse is installed. Next, we reassemble the microwave. Place the outer cover back on the microwave. Align it properly with the body. Now insert all screws back in place. Tighten each screw carefully. Make sure the cover is properly closed. Now the microwave is fully assembled. Now we test the microwave again. Plug the microwave into the power socket. Place the cup of water inside again. Close the microwave door. Set the microwave for 1 minute. The microwave is now running again. After 1 minute, we stop the microwave. Open the door and check the water. Now you can see the water is hot. This means the microwave is heating properly. The problem is fixed. This was a blown high voltage fuse problem. This is very common in many microwaves. Replacing the fuse solved the issue. Always use the same fuse rating. And always unplug before repair. That's it for today. Now you know how to fix a Bosch microwave that is running but not heating. Thanks for watching.